Assalamualaikum guys. Jom daftar kursus kahwin area Kuala Lumpur dan Putrajaya. Cek nombor telefon di bawah atau tekan link di atas. Bye.
Not sure if you know this, but when we first met, I got so nervous I couldn't speak. In that very moment I found the one and my life had found its missing piece. So as long